RobotSLAM Backpack Series. Data capturing. After assembly, press the power button on the battery compartment. Then switch on the pano camera. The display screen lights on. Put on the backpack. There are buckles on the shoulders, chest, waist, which can be adjusted and locked as demand. Use the cell phone with Android system. Connect the device via Wi-Fi. The password is number 1 to 8, and then run RobotSLAM Palm. The interface prompts that the device is connected. Click the folder icon, plus icon, RTK settings. Enter the RTK information. Click Setting. RTK access is to check the settings. Clear is to delete all info. Click Exit icon to enter the interface of recording. When RTK positioning status is fixed, click the scanning icon. The static initialization time is 1 minute. The surveyor should keep still and wait before walking to scan. The scanning speed is normal walking speed, and try to ensure the scanning route is open area, without satellite signal interference. Turn around slowly when scanning the corner. Slow down when going up and down stairs. After scanning, keep still and waiting for 1 minute of finalization. Finalization finished. Press the scanning icon to stop scanning. Do not power off since the device is saving the data. It takes about 20 seconds, then continue scanning or export the data.